Most contractors, trades, and home services businesses are sitting on piles of cash inside their CRM or database. Tens of thousands, sometimes hundreds of thousands of dollars. But they never touch it. They jump straight into, we need more leads, instead of asking, are we converting the leads we already have? Most teams treat their CRM like a digital storage closet. Old leads never get re-engaged. Not one has a clear cadence or accountability for follow-up. And there's this dangerous assumption that if the customer really wanted it, they'd reach out. But the truth is this: customers get busy, they get distracted, they get overwhelmed. Your team's job is to close the loop, not wait for somebody else to take initiative. Again, your CRM is not a database. It is a pipeline of unfinished conversations. Each one has already been paid for by you. So here is a follow-up framework that I want to share with you that I think will be very, very beneficial and create some revenue for you. And if you want more than just this, make sure below to click on the link and download our quote conversion blueprint along with our custom GPT that will build this out specifically for your business, your industry, your ideal clients. But here are 5 things that you need to identify and follow through on if you want to see some of those outstanding leads convert. Number 1, identify. Pull every open estimate that's older than 30 days. Number 2, categorize. Hot, warm, and dead. But treat each one of those differently. You have to have a plan for every single one of those. Number 3, activate. Run a simple rhythm. Email, text, and call, switch those up to every single one of those outstanding leads. Number 4, assign ownership. Make sure that there is at least one dedicated person in your office that owns this entire follow-up process. And number 5, measure. Track conversions, track book jobs, and recovered revenue. I had one client that did this, and in a 30-day window, we took outstanding opportunities that were just sitting, floating around in nowhere and turned it into more than $100,000 in additional revenue. That was an additional 20% on top of the consistent revenue that they were generating in the organization. All from follow-up. 0 new marketing dollars, just disciplined execution. And you can do this too. All you need to do is turn your CRM, your database, into a revenue machine. You can do that starting this week, right now. So export all those open leads from the last 12 months. Build a multi-touch reactivation sequence. Again, click the link, download the quote conversion blueprint. It will walk you through this. Assign one person to own that follow-up and set a weekly revenue goal from those recovered leads. You do not need more leads. You need to convert the ones you already paid for. So get to it and watch as revenue climbs through the roof.